We found an amazing place, so we made a crazy plan and camped with a bonfire in the jungle at night. Took a shower in the morning and had some more fun. But the weather was not so good, there was always a chance of rain. It was a super adventure, so this is Arsiero vlog. Morning guys, now it's around 7:15 in the morning. A beautiful day here. We had some fun here near the canal yesterday and we slept for around 2 hours and we ate roasted meat, drank, danced, sang and had a lot of fun. So it was the most beautiful night of my life. Now we're gonna have a walk a little further along the river. We spent the last night at the jungle side and there is a very beautiful place called Contra Pria. We can have some fun like last night as well. So let's go boys. Surrounded by the large mountains, the extremely transparent water sources through the small mountain ranges slowly flow in front of this location. The water is very cold, but how can you not get into the water in a place like this? Swimming among the rocks was a great experience. Walking between these rocks is a bit risky. This is one of the craziest experiences. Had to enjoy everything in every minute. Goodbye Arsiero, you have been amazing. Thank you so much for giving such a great adventure.
Kalgata nila, mulu timbala, sita sana sila. Io non danne.